Hi friends! So today I'm going to talk to you about the new feature in the Boards app. And for all of you who do not know what Boards is, it is an app where you can collect all information like already written text, videos, links, etc. all in one place. And when you need to send it to someone, you do it very, very easily and quickly. And I will show you how that works at the end of this video. And of course, I will also show you about this new feature. I can promise you, you will not be disappointed. Yep, Boards just got an upgrade, and I'm here to show you how to make the most of it. So stick around and I'll walk you through how this feature can make sharing even smoother. So now to the fun part. First, we sign in or sign up. This is where it all happens. You go to web pages. So Boards provide different kind of templates. Business cards, for example, which we have here, it's perfect to share your essential information for your contact details, your social media links, etc. Sales and promotions. It combines the multiple offers of Future's products in one place. It's great for seasonal sales or ongoing promotions. Are you going to have an event or a party? This is perfect for sharing details like dates, locations, etc. So this is a product page, which is ideal for showing your customer what is your product and what you have to offer. Maybe you are offering a service. So this is where you can promote your service offerings, include testimonials and offer booking options, etc. So this is great for consultant and service providers. And at the end, we have seasonal, if it's Thanksgiving, Christmas, Black Friday, etc. Let's go back to business cards. This is where you put your information about you, your links, etc. Take one of these templates. Let's take this one, for example. So I'll choose this template. And all these things you can change, of course. So this is how it looks like on the mobile phone. And if you want to change your photo, you go here, call me, talk to Messenger, WhatsApp, etc. Let's say if you don't want to talk to on Messenger, I'll take that away. Here we go. And maybe you want it's more on the top, evident that you want to talk on WhatsApp, so you put that app on the top. So it's so easy, you just slide the box and you just create your page. But if you want to, you can also start from scratch, and that's where you go here. So let's start. So we go to profile down here. I select a profile photo. Let's do it like this. Here we go. And my name I put my name here. Here you go. Description. And voila. So what else do I need? For the moment, this is how it looks like. I'll change the photo a little bit. Let's see. Let's keep it like this for the moment. So here we've got various possibilities. We've got headlines. I'll just write anything here now, just so you got an idea what this is. Paragraphs. Done. Okay, we've got that under here. Images. Let's choose this one. And video, you can put on videos as well. We got, for example, our CEO or founder of the company I work with here. So here we go, video. What else do I have? PDF, if I want to add that. YouTube videos directly. So this is interesting. This is various options you have to insert as well. So you got the contacts, which could be WhatsApp, Messenger, phone, SMS, email, etc. And you also got different kind of payment possibilities if you're going to sell a product through this. But for the moment, in this this kind of card, I think a link would be useful, and also maybe WhatsApp. I put my number here. So if I scroll down now, this is the WhatsApp button. Forms. So this is if you want to collect different kind of information like name, phone number, email. You just add this. And you can attach a Google Sheet, so you get all the emails in one sheet. Here you go. And this last one, this is if you have items that you want to sell. So you get the idea. I'm just going to show you. So let's see. I have a product starting with Z, costs $10, and I do next. Got all these fields, next, and I want to connect my PayPal. Okay, so this is where you do that. I'm not going to do it right now, but you understand how this works. This is my first try. Now I can always go back and change. I can maybe put, change here the text. And maybe I want to put the WhatsApp button at here. So now you have finished your beautiful design and you want to share it with the world. So you have different possibilities where you can share it. You can share it by Messenger, you can put it in your bio link, on your Instagram feed, Facebook feed, etc. How do you do it? Just simply by clicking on your page and go to the share button, and you have copied the link. Now, of course, I know that it's a lot of people working on a phone, and everything I have showed you until now is possible to do on your phone. So let's switch over to the phone mode. Now I'm going to show you why Boards is such a game changer and time saver. Let me explain to you. Instead of going into the Boards app and get the link, you just install the keyboard on your phone. So let's say now I'm going to send something away. So I'm going to send a message and I want to send this link, right? So I go to my keyboards and I choose Boards. And here it is, and I just click on that one and I send it away. So here they have the link. So easy and quick. And this is why I love Boards. I hope you enjoyed this video, but before I end it, there is one thing I need to tell you, and that is that all this is part of the pro version of Boards. So if you want to use it, you do have to pay either the monthly fee or the yearly fee. But even if you do not want to have the pro version, Boards is a great tool to use. So I hope to see you very soon at another video, and until then, bye bye.